it is important to develop an active lifestyle and eat healthy food. To enable the students realize the benefits of good health, students of class 2C are going to present an assembly on healthy eating.
Chips, burger, cold drink, make your stomach fair. Dieting is a good thing like morning fresh air. Always drink water, it can save you from the sun. If you will do this, you can go everywhere with your mom. Always do exercise, it is good for your health. Health is more important than any kind of wealth. Healthy food is my best friend. It helps me to grow and mend. Junk food is fun but not too much. Healthy eating is the perfect touch.
Very good.
Good morning everyone. Just as physical exercise is good for our health, so is healthy food. Without them, we can't enjoy life to the fullest. Today, we the students of 2C are going to present an assembly on healthy eating. Good morning. Thought of the day is healthy eating is not just about losing weight. It's about having more energy and improving your health. A new day is a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open arms. Let's thank God for giving us knowledge and wisdom.
Very